Okay, I'm making this video to show how the TV and AT&T U-verse box are both off, and the lights are off all over the place. And you come over here and you flip the light switch, and all of a sudden these two guys turn on. Okay, so why is there equipment on one side of the room controlled by a light switch on the other side of the room? Turn this light switch and the outdoor light switch. Okay. Lights on, off, on, off. Okay, good. How about right here? That's on. Slow down. On. Perfect. All right. Now, let the show begin. So, this light turns on the TV. What if I turn the TV off? TV goes off. That light over there goes off. The light outside goes off. And the hallway light goes off. Ready? I'm going to flip this switch down, and all that's going to go on. Ready? Okay. Get it? That's wrong. Just to be clear, those lights are controlled by that light switch over there, but you can also control them by this light switch. So, why does this one switch over here control all those switches over there? That's wrong. Okay. This light switch doesn't appear to do anything, the one on the right. Okay, wait a second. If you put things into the top light switch over there, so that light is plugged into the top plug, and then this goes on, that light goes off. Ready? On, off. But if that light's off, then the TV's on. See the light blinking over there, the green light? Now, as soon as I turn the TV off, I can make that light go on. Ready? Now the TV is off, and that light's on. So when that light switch is up, that light is on, and the TV's off. If I put this light switch down, that light goes off, but the TV comes on. This is a big problem, and it needs to be fixed. So the other thing that you notice is when that light switch is up, the corner light's on, but the hallway light and the outside light are off. If I flip this light switch down, the corner light goes off, but the hallway light and the outside light come on, in addition to the TV. So the TV and the hallway light and the outside light are on the same circuit, and the corner light is on an opposite circuit. This needs to be fixed. Thank you.